6 people have died and at least 30 people are injured after a major portion of a foot-over bridge near the CST station in South Mumbai collapsed. The incident took place during peak hours where there was a lot of rush on the overbridge. Santhya Gora joined us. Santhya Gora filed this report earlier. Listen in.
As far as the inquiry is concerned, in fact, a high-level inquiry is also ordered by the state, and BMC has also claimed that now they are looking into the matter. And apart from that, the police also has now filed an FIR in the case of FIR under the section of IPC 304A, death by negligence. And right now we are on the spot. And as of now, as we were reporting from here yesterday, that how this entire area is cleared. It was cleared last night itself, though this particular route is still not open for the people. This entire road which actually connects JJ Bridge to CST, this entire bridge, this entire road is closed. The traffic is not allowed to move. In fact, as far as the footpath is concerned, the left-hand side footpath, which is the Times of India area, that footpath is open for people so that they can cross this particular area. In fact, in certain sections, the CST station footpath is also open for people. In fact, the authorities are also planning to cut the divider in between, because this is a long stretch and they need that space so that people can cross this particular area. If we talk about the casualties, 6 people have died, 31 people are injured. They are all inside the they are all in the hospital. And apart from that, as far as the police FIR, is concerned, police has also the police has taken this FIR against BMC officials and railway officials, a case of death by negligence.
इसको स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट में फिट पाया गया और कुछ माइनर रिपेयर्स कहे गए थे। उसके बावजूद अगर ये पुल गिरता है और इतनी भीषण दुर्घटना होती है, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट के ऊपर भी एक प्रश्न चिन्ह निर्माण होता है और इसकी भी जांच की जाएगी। स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट अगर गलत किया गया है, उसका रिपोर्ट अगर ठीक नहीं आया है, उसमें अगर कोताही बरती गई है, तो निश्चित रूप से ये एक सदोष मनुष्यवध का ऑफेंस भी इसमें दाखिल किया जाएगा। और जो माइनर रिपेयर्स कहे गए थे वो कहां तक किए गए, इस बात की भी जानकारी ली जाएगी। ये जो उच्च स्तरीय कमेटी है, इसके माध्यम से निश्चित रूप से हम लोग कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई इस मामले में करेंगे।
This bridge, which as far as I understand is a BMC bridge, it is not a bridge belonging to the railways. If almost 6 months ago the BMC has ordered a structural audit, and after the structural audit report came in which said that this bridge requires only minor repairs, that clearly means that at a BMC level and at the level of the structural auditors there has been severe negligence.